Yo, since you are here, thank you so much for watching this channel, which is Brythreesixty Clips. Who's Brythreesixty? Brythreesixty is a musician based in Zimbabwe, and yeah, I've been dropping music, I don't know, for the past 15 years or so. I've been in the music industry for a while, so me, I love adventure. And if you see this channel, it's a personality channel where you see what I'm seeing through my lenses, my eyes, and also teaching people how to use the gear to make content and stuff. So this is not a music channel, but this is a channel by a musician where I do reaction videos, traveling videos, and letting you see what I'm seeing through my lenses when it comes to traveling, or even family stuff, even with my special person, my wifey. She's always supporting me. And also big shout out to everybody who's supporting this channel, and we are going to grow together, and this is going to be a big channel. And as you can see, improvements every day. So I'm not following a specific niche when it comes to this channel. If you see me, sometimes I'm attending car events, I'm attending some church events, I'm attending traveling, whatever that I'm seeing through my lenses, I'm going to share with you guys. And also what else am I doing? I'm doing a lot of things and stuff, and also reacting to what I'm seeing, even supporting other content creators with the content that I make. Sometimes I'm reviewing a GoPro, I'm reviewing the DJI mics and stuff, and how to set up your equipment. And we're gonna learn and grow together. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this channel. And Yazowski, this is Brythreesixty, and yeah, I'm gonna take my other channels that I work there, my music channel and also my tech channel, and let's go, guys. Thank you so much if you are watching this channel. I appreciate you. Respect. Bye.